Welcome to Hypercar. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the brand new Volkswagen Tiguan 2026 R-Line, a premium compact SUV that combines modern design, advanced technology, and strong performance. Stay with me as we explore every angle of this stunning vehicle in detail. Starting from the front, the 2026 Tiguan showcases a bold and aggressive face. The new LED matrix headlights, wide R-line grille, and stylish bumper create a very premium sporty look. Chrome accents along the grille and refined hood lines add elegance. The front stance immediately grabs attention on the road, with a perfect combination of power and sophistication. Every detail is sharp, from the front fog lights to the integrated air vents, reflecting Volkswagen's modern design language. Moving to the side, the Tiguan reveals smooth yet muscular body lines, giving it a strong road presence. The high shoulder line, aerodynamic roof, and well-proportioned doors create a sense of motion even while parked. Alloy wheels are large and dynamic, complementing the sporty R-Line touches. The side mirrors, chrome window frames, and flush door handles add sophistication. This angle highlights the balance between elegance and athletic character, making the Tiguan instantly recognizable. From the back, the SUV continues its modern premium styling. The 3D LED taillights, R-line rear bumper, and integrated roof spoiler give a clean and sporty appearance. Dual exhaust styling elements enhance the visual impact. The rear design is wide and confident, making the Tiguan look both robust and luxurious. The tailgate opens easily to reveal spacious cargo space, ideal for family or long trips. From the front left 45-degree angle, you can see the front face blending with the side profile perfectly. The headlights flow into the muscular body lines, and the hood extends gracefully toward the windshield. This perspective emphasizes the car's stance, aerodynamic curves, and dynamic proportions. The SUV looks strong, sporty, and elegant from this viewpoint, making it perfect for hero shots or promotional visuals. From the front right 45-degree angle, the Tiguan presents a sharp and clear perspective of the front fascia and side body. DRLs, chrome accents, wheel arches, and lower bumper styling are all highlighted. The SUV appears modern, athletic, and premium. Reflections from the showroom lighting enhance its contours, emphasizing the metallic Urano gray paint and R-line design elements. Now, let's explore the interior. The 2026 Tiguan cabin is spacious, luxurious, and driver-focused. Premium leather seats, ambient lighting, digital cockpit, and a large infotainment display provide a modern and comfortable environment. Materials are soft and high quality, creating a welcoming feel. The rear row offers excellent legroom, and storage space is practical for daily use or long trips. Every detail in the cabin reflects Volkswagen's attention to comfort, technology, and quality. Next, under the hood, the 2026 Tiguan R-Line features a 2-liter turbocharged engine producing 268 horsepower. The 8-speed automatic gearbox is smooth and responsive, and the AWD system ensures excellent traction in all conditions. Driving is composed and confident, whether in city traffic or on the highway. The engine delivers a balance of performance and efficiency, making the SUV versatile for both daily commuting and adventurous drives. As we conclude, the Volkswagen Tiguan 2026 R-Line stands out with its combination of stylish design, modern technology, premium interior, and strong performance. It offers comfort, safety, and luxury in one balanced package. If you are looking for a modern, versatile, and attractive compact SUV, the 2026 Tiguan is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Hypercar. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel for more high-quality car reviews. See you in the next video.